Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your PUBG Mobile password. For that, just go and open your settings and tap on this gear button, and there you will see logout button. In this area, just simply tap on that and you'll be logged out from your PUBG Mobile game. And now if you're using X, Facebook or any other platforms to log in, you'll need to reset their password to reset its password. And if you're using your phone or email, you simply need to enter your email address over here, and you will see forgot password in this login button. Simply tap on that. You need to enter your email address and they will send you verification code. Simply enter that over here and set a new password, and again retype your new password and tap on OK button, and that is how you can reset your PUBG Mobile password. But I logged in using my Facebook, so I'll simply tap on this login with Facebook and tap on continue button, and then tap on this continue as my Facebook username, and again tap on that, and I'll be logged into this PUBG Mobile. So that is how you can reset your PUBG Mobile password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.